In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful birthday wishes website. First, open your web browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're signed in, click on the message box and enter a prompt describing the website you want to create. For example, you can type, "Create a birthday wishes website with a colorful design, birthday animations, balloons, a photo gallery, background music, and a heartfelt birthday message." Then press Enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate the website code. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will create the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code needed for the website. Now select and copy all of the generated code. Next, open Notepad on your computer. Paste the code into the blank document. Click File, then Save As. In the file name box, type index.html, then click Save. Now locate the saved HTML file on your computer and double-click it. The Birthday Wishes website will open in your web browser. Once you're happy with the website, you can publish it online using GitHub Pages. Upload the HTML file to a GitHub repository and enable GitHub Pages from the repository settings. After publishing, you'll receive a website link that you can share with the birthday person, friends, and family members. That's it. This is how you can create a stunning birthday wishes website using ChatGPT without any coding experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.